Meaning of exit poll.
Exit poll.
Exit poll.
Exit poll.
Exit poll. An exit poll is a survey conducted outside a polling station after someone has voted. It's used to predict the outcome of an election or referendum before the official results are declared. Exit polls ask voters which candidate or party they chose, and this data is used to provide an early forecast of the final result. The results of an exit poll can be useful for political strategists and journalists who want to understand which groups of voters supported which candidates, and use this information to analyze voting patterns and make predictions for future elections.